tell me?
Repeat mo kayo sir.
Kamsa? Ano, kadumo, ato, ano siya? Katolik ko kay Kalpa. What is that supposed to mean? Isn't that racist?
Excuse me. It's my day.
For tonight? What's your choice?
Weirdo.
We're waiting for Renzi and her gang.
This is my vlog. I'm invading this.
Look how pretty.
Shut up. What?
Na ako ang kaberks. Ako kaberks, they're here. Wow! BFF. Hi guys. Bada ako ng birthday ko lang.
Nakinani ko sila.
We're at Colon Night Market.
OA.
Guys, here ako diri inyong Bini Chow. Bini Chow. There's puto bongbong with cheese. Arte. OA.
Hindi lang tayo si
Audrey. Meron si Mang Hubo ay. Maniyak. Guys, food! 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 Fungal life. Panda! Baboy yam!
Nasa shot.
Tuloy mo, naslay ka nang.
Alay mga kagulo ha.
Naamoy tiramisu cake.
Nandito murag sukuan.
I am overwhelmed. Ay, kana nang i-open nila, no? Tapos sublan o kuan. Wowers. Mga TikTok-inspired food.
Puto bongbong with cheese. Tarunga yun.
Ang sarap.
OA. Sobraan. Oo, wag na ni dandan.
Guys, nandito yung lover ni Rincy, guys. Kiss, kiss. With oh, sorry. Ay, naribata. Mga on may barbecue and mga on may lechon baboy later and tuslobua and seafood boil. Ikaw, friends, ay Sophie.
Tamis ko. Tambo ko tamis.
Wow, ang galing mo naman. Uy! Nagtagak-tagak. Wow, ang sarap. Ang sarap naman. Ah!
Ang sarap.
Lapit ka na yan.
Kasama? Ay, ganahan ko anin.
Oh, ito yung mukha sa uto-uto. Sugar mom ng group.
Ano na?
No, it's not sashimi. It's sushi. Merry Christmas. It's uwi na kami, guys. It's so sad. No.
That's it for the night.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Ay, napugwa-pugwa pa.
Kani kay gopo ko dali. Balik video.
Kasi balik video.
Picture day. May mag-taxi lang tapat ng Miller.
Hoy, wala tayong picture nga kita tanan ay saksakay.
Ay, sa